Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Silver Lake Trail is less than 1 mile long and is easily accessible in Big Cottonwood Canyon. It is a family-friendly hike for kids, adults, and everyone in between. Silver Lake Trail is the easiest hike at the Brighton area. This is a wonderful place during summer to bring your loved ones. We visited this lake both in the summer and in the winter. It was beautiful both times, but the time we enjoyed the most was summertime with a nice walk around the lake. There are lots of wildlife around Silver Lake, including ducks, birds, squirrels, beavers, fish, and even moose. The majority of the loop is a boardwalk with benches and lake outlooks. The boardwalk is easily to follow around the lake. There are informational signs along the trails as you walk. When you get toward the far side of the lake, the trail becomes dirt with large tall trees and slightly uphill for a few minutes, but still very easy. You can learn about the trees, flowers, mountains, and other natural things. There are lots of places to stop and just enjoy the nature. It was very peaceful and relaxing. I love Silver Lake any time of year. No matter what time of year you visit, you will be rewarded with beautiful views and the surrounding mountains. Silver Lake Trail is another destination that I would add to your list. Enjoy your day in the mountains. Happy trails! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!